Welcome to today's video about 7 powerful herbal teas for cold and flu relief. Winter is practically a festival of flu and colds, a gathering of the stuffy nose and cough crew, isn't it? The dry weather and the fluctuating thermometer only help to invite flu and colds to the party. So let's take care, because it seems like everyone is in the same boat, trying not to hitch a ride on this journey of coughs and sneezes. It's time to drink that warm tea to help boost your immunity in this chilly season. Those who have already experienced the symptoms of flu and cold understand how bothersome they can be, including fever, cough, chills, runny nose, and muscle aches. But the good news is that there are natural remedies, like traditional grandma's recipes and famous herbal teas, that can offer relief from these annoyances. So, get your pen and paper ready to write down, as we've gathered 7 powerful teas that are true natural tonics to help you boost your immunity this winter and get through these times with less wear and tear. Stay until the end, because we have a golden tip that can further reinforce the care needed to face the much-dreaded symptoms, and I'm sure you'll be surprised. 1. Honey and lemon tea. This tea is a powerful nasal decongestant that helps combat throat inflammation. Lemon has anti-inflammatory properties and is rich in vitamin C, contributing to resistance against infections and strengthening the immune system. Additionally, using honey as a sweetener enhances the antibacterial and expectorant properties, reducing cold symptoms such as coughing and mucus production. To prepare, pour 2 tablespoons of honey into a cup of boiling water, stirring thoroughly until you achieve a uniform consistency. Then, add the juice of 1 lemon. Consume the tea immediately after preparation to ensure maximum absorption of the vitamin C present in the lemon. 2. Ginger, lemon peel, and propolis infusion. This magical mixture helps to relieve nasal congestion, runny nose, and body discomforts. Ginger is known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, which can alleviate throat irritation and coughing. These benefits are due to the compounds gingerol, chagol, and zingerone found in the root. Additionally, this root can help to thin mucus, making breathing easier. Propolis is a natural compound known for its antimicrobial, antioxidant, and anti-inflammatory properties, as confirmed in studies, offering benefits primarily for immunity. All this combined with the strength of vitamin C from lemon. To prepare this infusion, begin by carefully removing the peel from half a lemon, avoiding the white part to prevent bitterness. Set aside the peel and slice 1 piece of ginger. In a pot over medium heat, add half a liter of water, the lemon peel, and ginger. Allow it to boil for 5 minutes, then turn off the heat. Cover the pot and let it steep for an additional 5 minutes. After this time, add 20 drops of propolis extract. For best results, consume the infusion immediately. 3. Mint tea. Mint has soothing and decongestant properties, which can alleviate irritations and coughs. Menthol, a compound found in mint, provides a cooling and mildly anesthetic effect on the throat, offering temporary relief from discomforting symptoms. Additionally, it is rich in vitamin C, strengthening immunity and helping the body to combat bacterial or viral agents that cause coughs due to colds, flu, and throat infections. To make this infusion, start with 3 chopped mint leaves for 200 milliliter of water. First, bring the water to a boil, and once boiling, remove it from the heat. Add the mint leaves, cover the container, and allow it to steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the infusion and enjoy its refreshing taste and therapeutic benefits. Number 4. Pomegranate tea. Pomegranate tea is rich in polyphenols like ellagic acid and punicalagins, known for their antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Additionally, it contains anthocyanins, which give the fruit its characteristic red color and offer antioxidant action. Tannins, astringent substances in pomegranates, contribute flavor to the tea. Together, these elements synergistically work to bolster the immune system, providing a defense against respiratory and throat infections. To prepare the pomegranate infusion, begin with 2 tablespoons of pomegranate seeds and 200 milliliter of water. Start by bringing the water to a boil and once boiling, remove from the heat. Add the pomegranate seeds, cover the container, and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the mixture and enjoy the tea. As an additional tip, enhance your tea with the power of lemon or orange. These citrus fruits, rich in anti-inflammatory properties and abundant in vitamin C, aid in fighting infections and strengthening the immune system. 5. Garlic tea. Garlic and its bioactive components have antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, immunomodulatory, and antimicrobial properties. It demonstrates therapeutic potential, especially in treating sore throats. The presence of allicin stimulates the production of white blood cells, strengthening the immune system and aiding in combating flu and cold symptoms. Additionally, its expectorant action is beneficial in treating mucus buildup. However, be cautious. The intake of this infusion is not recommended for individuals with low blood pressure issues due to its potential to lower blood pressure. To prepare the tea, peel 2 to 3 cloves of garlic and crush them. Place the crushed cloves in 2 cups of boiling water and cover with a cloth or the lid itself. Let it steep for 10 minutes, strain, and consume. Liking our video so far? Before we move on to the next tea, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss out on our new informative videos. 6. Oregano tea. If you're suffering from a heavy cough, oregano might be the perfect option for your tea. This herb is more commonly used as a culinary seasoning, but has significant medicinal power. Oregano is rich in compounds like carvacrol and thymol, known for their antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. These characteristics are instrumental in combating viruses and bacteria that cause infections and inflammation in the throat, as well as flu and cold symptoms. Thymol, in particular, is beneficial for treating phlegmy coughs and preventing potential infections from mucus buildup. To make the infusion, use 1 tablespoon of oregano with 200 milliliters of water. Bring the water to a boil, and once boiling, remove from heat and add the oregano leaves. Cover the container and let it steep for 5 to 10 minutes. Strain the mixture and enjoy the soothing benefits of oregano tea. 7. Eucalyptus tea. Last but not least, we present a natural cure-all, a golden tip to combat flu and cold symptoms. Eucalyptus. Its antioxidant properties protect the body against free radicals. Cineol, a key component, acts as an expectorant, combating respiratory infections and providing relief for coughs. Both fresh and dried eucalyptus leaves can be used to make teas and warm water gargles, which provide relief for sore throats. Additionally, the oil is beneficial in inhalations, compresses, baths, or even for scenting rooms, making it a versatile natural remedy. To prepare the tea, add 1 teaspoon of chopped eucalyptus leaves to 150 milliliters of water and bring to a boil for 1 minute. Then, turn off the heat, cover, and let it steep for about 5 minutes. Strain and consume 1 cup of the tea 2 to 3 times a day for optimal benefits. For nasal congestion, eucalyptus is a great home remedy. Add 5 drops of eucalyptus essential oil to 1 liter of boiling water. Cover your head with an open towel, leaning over the container, and inhale the steam for up to 10 minutes, repeating 2 to 3 times a day. After inhalation, apply a towel moistened with cold water to your face. Eucalyptus can also be used in the bath and can help you relax and relieve muscle pain. For this mixture, you'll only need the leaves. Start by washing the eucalyptus leaf branches to remove any dust or impurities. Let them dry naturally, and once the leaves are dry, make a bouquet and hang it under the shower head. Take your normal shower while the steam from the water releases the essential oils into the air, helping to relax your body and alleviate nasal congestion. And here's another valuable tip, especially if you're dealing with a lot of coughs, whether it's dry or filled with mucus, when it comes to sweetening your tea. While sugar is generally considered harmful to health, in this context, it plays a role in reducing the cough reflex. However, it's crucial to remember that conditions like diabetes require monitoring and sugar restriction, and it's advisable to consult your doctor. A healthier alternative for sweetening your teas is honey. Not only does it add a natural sweetness, but honey also enhances the antibacterial and expectorant properties of your beverage, contributing to the relief of flu and cold symptoms, as mentioned earlier. Have you ever wondered how a virus causes the common cold? The viruses responsible for colds and flu can survive up to 2 days outside the human body. Studies have shown that the survival time for both types of viruses varies significantly, from a few seconds to 48 hours. The reasons are related to various factors, including the type of surface, humidity, and temperature. On the skin, flu and cold viruses usually last less than a few minutes, but this can be enough for transmission. Studies show that most people touch their hands or mouth several times during their daily activities, enough to cause an infection. Therefore, maintaining good hygiene and being cautious is always advisable. When a sick person coughs, sneezes, or talks, they release droplets containing viruses into the air, which can travel up to 2 meters toward another person. Recent research indicates that a sneeze can reach a speed of about 15 meters per second. Given this, the advice is clear. If you notice someone with a cold is about to sneeze and you have enough time, maintain a safe distance, use protective masks, and ensure that hands and shared objects are clean, especially in enclosed spaces like offices. But sometimes, even with all precautions, we can't avoid it and find ourselves with a cold or flu without realizing it, which is extremely frustrating. While common, flu and colds require careful attention in treatment, and many people confuse the two illnesses, which can lead to self-medication. Differentiating one from the other is crucial for effective treatment and recovery. The flu, a viral infection that affects the respiratory system, can lead to complications if not properly treated. Its symptoms include fatigue, runny nose, severe headache, body aches, sore throat, high fever, and cough. On the other hand, the common cold, also a viral respiratory infection, presents milder symptoms caused by viruses such as the rhinovirus. Its characteristic symptoms are runny nose, sneezing, low fever, and cough. Both diseases are contracted in the same way, through contact with contaminated people or surfaces. During the winter, contraction is more common due to time spent in enclosed spaces. Differentiating the diseases can be challenging, but some distinctions help. The flu affects the lungs and is more intense, while the cold is considered milder and does not affect the entire respiratory system. Flu symptoms appear approximately 4 days after contact and last from 7 to 10 days, while the common cold has a quicker recovery in up to 5 days. Additionally, the flu is more common in winter, while the cold can occur throughout the year. It's crucial to emphasize that this video is purely educational, and it's extremely important to note that one should never abstain from treatment prescribed by a doctor. It's also important to seek guidance from a specialist if symptoms persist or worsen. If you found this video helpful, click the like button and share this knowledge with your friends and family. Allow the notifications to get alerted when we release new videos. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health content. Now, let me know in the comments. Have you tried any of these teas? For more insights on health, nutrition, and natural remedies, you might also find additional interesting videos popping up on your screen right now. Feel free to click on any of them, or even better, watch both to continue your knowledge journey with us. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Stay healthy. Bye.